Hello everyone, this is Rick Merman with Mersive Technologies, and this is the first episode of the Mersive Minute. If there's some topics you'd like to see me cover, please leave a comment down below or send me a message and I'll be happy to get to them. So what happens if you have a Chromebook that doesn't have the Mersive application, can't do AirPlay, and can't do Miracast, but you still want to share to a Mersive enabled display? Well, if you have our latest software, 4.4, you can now share directly from your browser. I'm going to show you how that works today. Let me share my screen. This is going to be my desktop with you. Right now I have Chrome open, and what you're going to want to do is point it at the IP address of your pod. If you have a DNS server, you might have a name instead of an IP address. You can enter that into your browser as well. So I'm going to enter in the IP address. Let's make this a little larger for us. Let's enter that in now. And it takes me to the Solstice launch page. You can see, and there's green text down below that says if you cannot download or run the application, launch in browser. We're going to click that. It's going to take us to this page here. Let's see what that looks like. It's showing the 4-digit key. We can see that 3694. So let's make this a little larger. 3694. I'm going to enter in my name. Now from here, if you have Chrome, you're going to have three options. You can share your entire screen, you can share an application window, or you can share a Chrome tab. I'm just going to share my screen, and we'll start my presentation here. And let's bring it back to the beginning so you can see what it looks like. I'm now sharing wirelessly to my Solstice pod connected to the display, not using AirPlay, not using Miracast, and not using the Mersive Solstice application. For more information about this or many of our other software updates, please visit mersive.com. Again, this is Rick Merman with Mersive Technologies, and I'll be posting again soon. Thank you.